back to my channel. Today we are watching a hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As details of the facilities and location, nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by viewers to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available on this hotel, along with various policies. If you are planning to book, you can go through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have